Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to turn off talkback on your mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on setting. Just click on the setting once. Then you have to click twice 1, 2. After that, you have to scroll with 2 finger, not with 1, with 2 finger. Two additional setting, okay? After that, where is the additional setting? Here it is. Okay, so you have to click on the additional setting 1, 2. After that, again you have to scroll down to accessibility, click once, then 1, 2. Then here you have to move on to vision here. Okay, 1, 2. After that, here is the talkback, so you have to click on the talkback, then 1, 2. Then here is the use talkback, so if you want off, just click on the use talkback, then 1, 2. And here the talkback will be set off. Okay, set stop tapping stop will stop talkback, so let's stop on the stop on 1, 2.
Talkback off.
See, the talkback has been set off. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.